Once upon a time, in a cozy little burrow under a tall oak tree, lived a little bunny named Luna. Luna loved to explore the forest and make new friends. One sunny morning, she decided to venture deeper into the woods than she ever had before. As she hopped along, she heard a soft cry coming from a bush. Curious and brave, Luna approached and found a tiny squirrel named Sammy who had lost his way. "Don't worry, Sammy. I'll help you find your home," Luna said with a reassuring smile. Together, they hopped and scurried through the forest, asking for directions from wise old owls and chirpy bluebirds. Along the way, they met Freddy the fox, who had a keen sense of direction. Freddy kindly offered to guide them. With Freddy's help, Luna and Sammy found their way back to Sammy's treehouse. Sammy's family was overjoyed and grateful to Luna for her kindness and bravery. From that day on, Luna, Sammy, and Freddy became the best of friends, exploring the forest and helping any animals in need.